I'm here today with a really exciting video. So I don't think I've ever done the Ipsy Glam bags. Maybe I have in the past, like a long time ago when it first came out. Actually, I think I did have Ipsy. I think I did. Anyways, I randomly got this box. I'm trying to fit it all back in there. I randomly got this box from Ipsy, and they're doing a new subscription service. So the old subscription service is you got, 4 to 5 deluxe size samples and a cute little bag. This is a new one, and it's going to be a subscription service called Glam Bag Plus, and I thought it was really neat. This is not a sponsored video. I was gifted this for free. I don't even know how I got it for free, but I was pretty excited about it. And so you get 5 full-size products, and yeah, I wanted to share with you what was in here because I was pretty impressed. You get a ton of really amazing products. Sometimes the subscription boxes can be hit or miss, but this one I was like, holy crap, I totally need to tell everyone about this. Let's jump into it. The first thing here is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. These retail for $29. This one is in the shade ACHIOTE. And I don't know how to pronounce that, and I don't want to pretend like I do. But it's a beautiful pinky peach blush, and the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush used to be one of my all-time favorite blushes. I remember buying them in every single shade. They're very, very good, very, very long wearing, and I actually don't have the shades. So I'm really excited about that because I have all the old original shades, but I don't have any of the newer ones. So this looks really beautiful. Again, this retails for $29. Next thing, which I was very excited about because I'm obsessed with this stuff, is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Now this retails for $45. And this stuff smells phenomenal. I loved it so much that I bought the shower gel. I bought the body spray. It is so good. It is so good. I need to just sniff it. Oh, the smell is just phenomenal. It's just a thick body cream and it smells so great. I don't think this size, is this size $45? There's no way this is $45. Maybe this is like the smaller size, but the full size is $45. Is this $45 for this little thing? I don't know, but it smells amazing. I love the shower gel. I love the body spray. I love this stuff. All right, the next is this palette from Morphe, and it's called the 15H Happy Hour palette, and this retails for $15. And let's give it a look-see here. I've never heard of this palette before. I have a couple different Morphe ones, but this is what the palette looks like. It's a nice hard plastic, which is nice. Oh, and it has a nice big mirror in here. This looks like a nice travel palette. I can't get the little insert out, but you have a nice big mirror and then a really pretty warm palette. Like this is a nice warm tone palette. I love, first of all, that it has a matte white brow bone or light creamy brow bone color. You have some good transitions. I'm trying to like do a couple swatches. That's a pretty peach. Some gorgeous shimmers. So there's some swatches. It's a really pretty warm toned palette. It seems to be pretty comprehensive as far as like you don't necessarily need a companion palette to get a complete look. You have a nice, brow bone color, a couple transition shades depending on your skin tone. Even that could be a transition shade if you're a deeper skin tone. You have some great shimmers, a couple darks to deepen up. So I think this is really pretty. So I'll definitely get use out of that. The next thing we have here is the Sunday Riley CEO. These are not cheap. This is a $65 cream. It is a C+E antioxidant moisturizer. I have this and I freaking love it. It is so good. It has, it says it provides deep, soothing, but never greasy moisturization, while its technology advanced formula expertly fights the 5 visible signs of environmental and micropollution-induced skin damage: sensitivity, dehydration, dullness, uneven skin tone, and premature lines and wrinkles. This stuff is bomb. So you get a full size. This retails for $65. That is so crazy to me that this comes in here. Oh, and it smells like oranges. It's so nice. So I think that is just absolutely amazing. Now I did read that like every other month or every third month or something, you'll get a new bag. So you don't get a little cosmetic bag with every box. It's like every second or third box, you get one. Okay, the next thing is a mascara. This is the Buxom Lash Mascara. It is $20 and it's supposed to have vitamins and a clump fighting formula. Give you dark, thick lashes, and that sounds great. I don't know, have I tried this? I wanna say that maybe I have. Yes, I have tried this, and it is a good mascara. So I'm not a fan of the rubber wands, but I do remember this. I think I had a small sample size, and it was a nice mascara. So a little bag that comes in it is really cute. It's really cute. It says Ipsy on it, and it's this really pretty like fall peach color, and then it has like this little pocket in the front. Like I would go put, I actually think I'm gonna use this in my purse. This would be great in a diaper bag too. Really, really cute and very, very nice quality. I think this is awesome. It's not available quite yet, it looks like. It says it'll be later this year, which the year is like more than halfway over. So I can imagine it's probably gonna start up within the next couple months. And so I will keep you guys posted when it does launch. I think that you get some phenomenal products, like really, really good products, and they're full size. Like these are really great, really good quality. Nothing in here was drugstore. The least expensive one was like a Morphe palette, but I actually think that's a really nice palette. So thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think of this Ipsy box, the Glam Bag Plus? I think it's really good. So I'm excited to see what else they come out with in future boxes. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.